हम लोग मॉडर्न टिटनेस में जो हम लोग धनुस्तंभ पढ़ रहे थे, मॉडर्न में उसको टिटनेस कहा जाता है। हम लोग आज के क्लास में टिटनेस पर स्टडी करेंगे। तो टिटनेस में कहता है कि एन एक्यूट बैक्टीरियल डिजीज कैरेक्टराइज बाय पेनफुल स्पाज्म होता है एंड स्टिफनेस ऑफ मसल्स में जकड़ाहट होता है, कठोरतापन होता है, रिजिडिटी होता है, स्टिफनेस ऑफ मसल्स एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ पावरफुल न्यूरोटॉक्सिन्स। क्या होता है? एन एक्यूट बैक्टीरियल डिजीज कैरेक्टराइज बाय पेनफुल स्पाज्म एंड स्टिफनेस ऑफ मसल्स एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ ए पावरफुल न्यूरोटॉक्सिन्स। इटियोपैथोजेनेसिस बताने जा रहे हैं। द कॉजेटिव ऑर्गेनिज्म कोलेस्ट्रेडियम टेटनाई इज वाइडली distributed in the soil, dust and feces of animals and humans. Transmission is usually through invasion of an injury with the tetanus bacilli or contaminated umbilical cord. नाभि में इन्फेक्शन होने से in the newborn. In the latter situation, the usual mode of contamination is by septic cutting seizures. Dust or animal dung is customarily applied to the cord stump by some tribes and the certain areas of the country in particular. The bacilli, after entering the circulation, get attached to the motor end plate in muscles and motor nuclei in the nervous system. Epidemiology: the disease is worldwide in the distribution but is especially a leading cause of death in the newborns of tropical and subtropics. The incidence is highest among agriculture workers, the rural population, and the period of life when the individual is more exposed to trauma. There is no notable seasonal variation. Clinical feature of tetanus: the incubation period of 3 days to 14 days. The minimum recorded is 1 day and the maximum several months. Shorter the incubation period, severe the disease. 3 varieties of tetanus are equally recognized. पहला है localized tetanus, second है generalized tetanus और तीसरा cephalic tetanus. पहला है क्या? पहला हम लोग पढ़ते हैं localized tetanus, second generalized tetanus और तीसरा cephalic tetanus. Localized tetanus में क्या होता है? Localized tetanus is characterized by pain, constant rigidity and muscle spasm in the region of the injury. It may occasionally be associated with chronic otitis media. The complaint may be taken weak to regress fully or occasionally progress to generalized tetanus. Generalized tetanus क्या होता है? Generalized tetanus usually has a sudden onset with muscle spasm and cramps होगा. The spasm of the muscles और cramps होगा, particularly about the location of inoculation, back and abdomen. The earliest manifestation in a newborn by the refusal to take feed. बच्चा क्या होगा? दूध पिएगा और वोमिटिंग कर देगा. Which should arouse suspicion, restlessness रहेगा, irritability रहेगा, difficulty in swallowing रहेगा. कुछ भी खाने में उसको difficulty होगा, घोटने में. Difficulty in sucking, at times convulsion soon follow. In the next 48 hours, the clinical picture neck rigidity होगा, पॉजिटिव कर्निंग साइन मिलेगा, ट्रिस्मस डिफिकल्टी इन ओपनिंग द माउथ होगा, मुंह खोलने में बच्चा को डिफिकल्टी होगा. बिकम एपरेंट. द फेस एजेंट टिपिकल एक्सप्रेशन कॉल्ड राइसस सर्डोनिकस. द फेस कैसा रहेगा? राइसस सर्डोनिकस महसूस होगा. The latter consists of cleaning of the jaw, laterally drawing lips, and raised eyebrow raised खड़ा टाइप करेगा. There is also increasing stiffness of upper limbs and leg. करापन रहेगा लेफ्ट में और अपर लिम्स. A typical tetanic spasm lasts for 5 to 10 seconds and consists of adjoining pain, a stiffness of the body which gets almost acute backward, and the retraction of head and cleaning of jaw and hands. As the disease progresses, a very simple stimulation also precipitation and attack. Low grade fever रहता है पेशेंट को. is usually present. Fever may be however be highest as a 104 to 105 degree Fahrenheit रहता है. A patient may die during a bout of tetanic spasm. Spasm होता है मसल्स में, tetanic spasm due to cerebral anoxia, respiratory और cardiac failure, hypothermia. अब थर्ड हम लोग डिस्क्रिप्शन करने जा रहे हैं सिफेलिक टेटनस. सिफेलिक टेटनस ए रेयर वेराइटी ऑफ टेटनस characterized by paralysis of one or more of the cranial nerves. कौन cranial nerves? Seventh cranial nerves. In addition to the spastic manifestation which may be initially by conformed to head and neck, but usually later involve rest of the entire body. It follows usually an injury in the region of head and neck. According to one hypothesis, toxins caused by paralytic phenomenon involving cranial nerves through patchy involvement of the nuclei. Diagnosis क्या करते हैं? Tetanus bacilli may be cultured from excised neurotic tissue. The procedure is however hardly needed. ट्रीटमेंट हम लोग टिटनेस के बारे में क्या करते हैं? द स्पेसिफिक थेरेपी इज द एंटीटॉक्सिन हम लोग देते हैं. ATS शुड बी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इन ए डोज ऑफ 1 लाख IU टू चिल्ड्रेन, 30,000 to 50,000 IU to newborns immediately after making the clinical diagnosis. The total dose may be given intramuscularly or intravenous. Local infiltration of the ATS at the site of the wound may be value of surgical excision is not workable. Some authorities advocate that stimulation with passive immunization ATS, the patient should receive active immunization with tetanus toxoid using an initial dose 0.5 to 1 ml. Further 3 doses. Whether ATS alone or combination with tetanus toxoid is any significant value of tetanus is not is fully clear, since no one has so far demonstration if a patient suffering from tetanus can be saved without such a treatment. High dose of an antibiotic, benzyl penicillin, preferably injectable penicillin should be given. Penicillin has some action of Clostridium tetani and also prevents secondary infection. Recently, grafting results have been obtained by addition of pyridoxine to the conventional regimes in neonatal tetanus. Human tetanus antiglobulin क्या है? HTIG. Human tetanus HTIG 500 to 3,000 IV should be administered IM at the earliest. Muscle spasms are controlled with 2 or more of the sedative like diazepam, phenobarbital, chlorpromazine, paraldehyde, chlorhydrate, morphine should be continued due to spasm and stability cardiovascular parameters. Prophylaxis में active immunization is necessary. ठीक है, थैंक यू।